7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Doing crossbody lead with a reverse right. We're going to open up on 1. Guys are hooking behind 2. We're going to switch the hand behind the back. 3. Back charge. 5, 6, 7. Make sure we're to the left side. So now I'm going to be pulling her in on 1 for a Titanic. 1. I'm going to be stepping behind her as I hook. 2. I'm going to make her step back. 3. So I'm going to make her step back one more. 5. So now on 6, 7, I'm going to start rotating her to the right with my right hand. 6, 7. The arm is actually going to be flicking on 1 as we pump back. 1. I'm going to be pulling her in on 2. I'm still to the left side of the slot. The left hand is going to connect as I go over, under. 3. Salsa step. 5, 6, 7. Asking for the hand. So now on 1, I'm going to be bringing her forward. 1. I'm going to start turning her on 2 as we go back to back on 3. Guys are doing a right turn. 5. Off the slot. 6, 7. So now on 1, I'm going to be bringing her forward. 1. Both hands are going over my head to the left on 2. They go over her head on 3. We're going to do another right turn. 5. Letting go of the right hand. 6, 7. Get in front of her on 1. Give her a double turn. 1, 2, 3. Follow her. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Titanic, so basic. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to step back on 5. Turn to the right. 6, 7. Now we're going to flick the hand out and put the weight on the right foot on 1. Forward on 2. We're going to turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do 1.5 right. So forward on 1. Turn 2. Turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk through 1.5 left. Turn on 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Double right turn. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.